What is up, guys? It's Dave with Pete and Pedro, and today we're talking shower essentials. This is everything that you're gonna need to get your shower on properly, starting with number 1. This look familiar? Yeah. I'm trying to reach my back, which I'm convinced is impossible to do yourself. Oh yeah. Nailed it. Number 1 is the long handle brush, and you guys definitely need one of these bad boys if you don't have it already. Like I said, reaching your back by yourself is nearly impossible, and this thing just makes it a total breeze. It has 2 sides. One has these super soft parts that get in there for a nice easy clean, and the other side has these studs that not only give you an amazing massage, but really get in there and kind of exfoliate for like a nice deep clean. Guys, if you don't have this one yet, you gotta pick it up and add it to your shower routine. Not cleaning your back leads to bacne and all types of gross stuff going on back there. And no, the water coming down for washing your hair is not enough. You really need something that's gonna get in there, get your scrub on, grab this bad boy. It makes it super easy. Number 2 is a face scrubber, and I keep mine in the shower. I pair it with my fogless mirror and just wash my face in the shower. I used to be the guy that would just rub soap on my face and just splash water up, but that is definitely not the way to clean your face. You definitely need something that's gonna get in there and exfoliate, clean out your pores. It's gonna eliminate acne, ingrown hairs, blackheads. The exfoliating face scrubber is definitely a shower essential. Again, I keep mine right in the shower, right next to my fogless mirror. Jump in the shower, clean my face off well, and let my shampoo sit in my hair, and it's a done deal. Speaking of shampooing, you're definitely gonna wanna grab the scalp massaging shampoo brush. As you can see, it's got massaging nodules to it that really get in there and help deep clean your hair, and more importantly, get down to your scalp. Our scalps can get super dry and clogged up with oil if we're not cleaning them properly, and that's what leads to things like dandruff and flakes. By using the massaging brush, you're gonna get down to the scalp and make sure that your hair and scalp are super clean. Next up is the loofah or the body scrubber. Now, you don't need both of these, but we definitely recommend using at least one. Rubbing the body wash on you with your hands is just not gonna give you the exfoliation that you need, and it's also not gonna give you that nice rich lather that you would expect from a great body wash. Again, skip rubbing the body wash on with your hands. It's just not doing the job. A loofah or a body scrubber brush is an absolute must. Next up is the double-sided foot file, and I know what you're thinking, why would this be in your shower routine? But it's super important that you take care of your feet. Dry, cracked skin is kind of gross, so you really need a foot file that's gonna get rid of that. The reason that you add it to your shower routine is because the moisture from the shower is gonna make that dry, cracked skin on your feet super soft and easier to work with. Now, this doesn't have to be part of your shower routine every day, but we definitely recommend using this bad boy at least once a week to make sure that your feet are smooth and looking amazing. Now, of course, you're gonna need an amazing shampoo and conditioner, and you know we got you covered there. I personally love the combo of Bold and Cowboy. And of course, you're gonna need an amazing body wash, and my go-to is Desperado. Check out the bad boy kit. Once you're done with your shower, towel dry, let everything air dry for a couple minutes, and finish it off with a little powder for your boys and feet. And that, gentlemen, is all the essentials that you're gonna need for an amazing shower experience.